In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a firmware update on the KeyMouse Alpha devices using the KeyMouse software. So open up the software. As you can see, I already have it open here. Go up into the top left corner, click Devices, go down to Firmware Update. Should pop up this screen, and as you can see, I have both the left hand and the right hand devices shown here. If you don't show either or both devices, try refreshing. If it still doesn't show, make sure the switches on the bottom are turned on both devices. So turned on would be toward the battery housing. Make sure it's switched toward the battery housing, you can see here, on both devices. Okay, select all or none or individual, whichever one you want to update. If you don't know what version you have on your devices, you can click this check version on device, highlight whichever one you want to check, click check version. And as you can see, I have Bluetooth module firmware version 56, which is this version here. The USB chip firmware version 17T3, I will show you here. Click OK. In the Advanced tab, you can do an individual update on the USB chip, which is this 8051. So select that. As you can see, 17T3 is the latest version. So I'll leave that checked. You can select the Bluetooth module. Make sure both devices are shown, and then click Start. And then let your devices sit. Don't touch them. Don't move them around. Don't type on them until the update is complete. It does take a few minutes. Make sure it will run through each one individually. Make sure they both read successful on the update. And for whatever reason, if you want to roll back to different versions, you can select that version in the drop-down menu. In this case, I'll just show the 56. Click Start, and it should run through that process.